There it goes. Oh. There it is. Here it is. Oh, look at that motor. All right, come on. All right, that's turning the motor over, but is that enough to crank it?
I kind of doubt it.
I kind of doubt it too.
But we got to hook up the points.
That motor is tight. All right, y'all, we have some starter fluid. It ain't firing at all.
I don't think we're getting it through that good enough.
All right, y'all, we want to make sure it's getting fuel. They're closed. So I don't know, probably wasn't amply getting fuel in. So I'm going to spray right down in there. And we'll see if we can get her to bark.
It's dry.
Oh, yeah. Watch her bark off, y'all.
It's reading now. She ain't firing good.
Doggone it. All right, y'all, we're Hail Mary time. Why ain't it firing? All right, y'all, do we have a compression issue? It's possible. I went and pulled the carburetor off the 64 Fairlane. We're going to see if maybe air is causing it not to start. Hit it, old man. I think it, did you hear it fire?
It tried.
Go. Good enough. It's turning over a lot faster. So what is it?
Let's pour a little extra gas.
What is it, y'all? Come on now. Why ain't she firing? It's getting fired to the point, to the spark plugs, we think. Is it sufficient? Got a faster battery?
Do we have compression?
Do we have compression? That's the issue. Keep going. She ain't firing.
Huh?
She don't seem like she's firing.